Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and I really like these little caster cups from VOCOMO. They do an awesome job at preventing scratches to your floors, and they also keep your furniture in place. So this is a set of 4. They are 2x2 square, and they are made from a flexible rubber. And a couple nice features is that they have these ridges on the back, and they also have these grooves inside. So it really helps to grip the floor and really keep your furniture in place. So I have hardwood floors, and I'm always looking for a way to not only keep my furniture in place, but keep anything from scratching those floors. So these are a really simple way to do that. So they're easy to use. You simply place them underneath the legs of your furniture, and then you will definitely notice that when you sit down on your couches and your chairs, your furniture is not sliding all over the place, and it definitely keeps your floors nice and safe. So if you're looking for an easy fix to a common problem, then I would definitely check out these furniture caster cups from VOCOMO. I think they're a great find, and that's my point of view.